Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. I am Anna. Learning English is fun and easy with us. How are you today? I hope you feel wonderful. The weather is very nice today. It is a sunny day and I feel very happy.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom. I am very happy to be here too. I feel great today. The sun is warm and the sky is blue. I love talking to our friends. Today is a special day because we have a very interesting topic. We are going to talk about my favorite place.
Oh, Tom, I am curious. What is your favorite place? Is it the park? Is it the beach? Please tell us.
My favorite place is my bedroom. I love my bedroom. It is small, but it is very comfortable. Today, we are talking about decorating my room. We will learn many words for furniture and colors. It is perfect for beginners.
That is a fantastic topic, Tom. I love decorating. My room is my favorite place too. It is where I relax and sleep. Friends, do you like your bedroom? Is it big or small? We want to know. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. And give this video a like. Your likes make us very happy. If you like the video, more people can learn English with Anna and Tom. Thank you for your support.
Okay, let's start. Let's talk about colors. Colors are very important for a room. Tom, what color are the walls in your bedroom?
My walls are light blue. I love blue. Blue is a calm color. It is the color of the sky. When I see my blue walls, I feel relaxed. I don't like dark colors for walls. Dark colors make the room look small.
I agree. Light colors are very good. My walls are white. White is a very clean color. It makes the room look big and bright. Sometimes I think about painting one wall pink or yellow. Pink is a happy color. Yellow is a bright color. What do you think, Tom?
White is beautiful, Anna. White is simple and elegant. If you have white walls, you can have colorful furniture. My furniture is brown. I have a brown bed and a brown desk. Brown is the color of wood. I like natural things.
Brown is a very classic color for furniture. My furniture is white too. I like the all-white style, but I have colorful pillows. I have green pillows and orange pillows. Green is the color of nature. Orange is a very energetic color.
Green pillows sound lovely. Let's talk about the bed. The bed is the most important object in the bedroom. My bed is big. It is a queen-sized bed. I have a very soft mattress. A mattress is the part of the bed you sleep on. Is your mattress soft or hard, Anna?
My mattress is hard. I think a hard mattress is better for my back. I have 4 pillows on my bed. I love pillows. They are soft and fluffy. I have a big duvet too. A duvet is a warm blanket for the winter. My duvet is gray.
Gray is a good color. It matches everything. I have a blue duvet because my walls are blue. I like when colors match. Matching means they look good together. Do you have a nightstand next to your bed, Anna?
Yes, I do. I have a small white nightstand. On my nightstand, I have a lamp. A lamp is very important for reading at night. I love to read books before I sleep. My lamp gives a warm yellow light. It is not too bright.
I have a lamp too, but mine is black. It is a modern lamp. On my nightstand, I also have my alarm clock and a glass of water. I always drink water in the morning. Friends, what do you have on your nightstand? Tell us in the comments.
That is a great question. Some people have photos or plants on their nightstand. Now, let's talk about the study area. Tom, do you have a desk in your room?
Yes, I do. I have a wooden desk. It is under the window. I like to see the street when I work. My desk is usually a bit messy. I have many pens, a laptop, and many notebooks. I use my desk every day for my English lessons.
A desk is very useful. I have a desk too, but mine is very tidy. Tidy means organized. I have a special chair. It is an office chair. It has wheels so I can move around. The chair is very comfortable because I sit there for hours.
A comfortable chair is very important for the back. My chair is blue, like my walls. On my desk, I also have a small plant. It is a cactus. I like cacti because they don't need much water. I sometimes forget to water my plants.
Poor plants, Tom. I have a big plant in the corner of my room. It is a green plant with big leaves. It makes the air fresh. I think every room needs a plant. It gives life to the decoration.
You were right, Anna. Plants are beautiful. Now, let's talk about the closet. Where do you put your clothes? I have a big wardrobe. A wardrobe is a tall closet for clothes. My wardrobe is brown wood. It has 2 big doors.
I have a built-in closet. It is inside the wall. It has sliding doors. I like sliding doors because they save space. Inside my closet, I have many hangers for my coats and dresses. I also have a chest of drawers for my t-shirts and socks.
A chest of drawers is very practical. I have one too. I have 5 drawers. The top drawer is for socks. The second drawer is for underwear. The other drawers are for trousers and sweaters. Do you have a mirror in your room, Anna?
Yes, I have a very big mirror. It is a full-length mirror. I can see my whole body. I use it every morning when I get dressed. I think a mirror is necessary for decorating. It reflects the light and makes the room look larger.
I have a small mirror above my chest of drawers. I use it to comb my hair. I don't need a big mirror. I'm a simple man. But I do have many pictures on my walls. I have photos of my family and photos of my trips.
Photos make a room feel personal. I have some paintings on my walls. One painting is of a forest and another painting is of the ocean. I love the ocean. The colors are blue and green. It is very beautiful to look at.
That sounds very artistic, Anna. I also have a rug on the floor. A rug is like a small carpet. My rug is gray and very soft. I like to walk on my rug with my bare feet. It is very warm in the winter.
I have a rug too. Mine is white and round. It is under my desk. It feels very nice. Friends, what color is your rug? Do you have a rug in your bedroom? Please write a comment and tell us. We love reading your comments.
Yes, please comment. It is good practice for your English. You can write, "My rug is red," or "I have a big wardrobe." Simple sentences are perfect for learning. You are doing a great job.
Okay, we are almost at the end of our room tour. We have learned many words today. We talked about the bed, the mattress, the pillows, and the duvet. We talked about the nightstand and the lamp.
And don't forget the desk, the chair, the wardrobe, and the chest of drawers. We also talked about the mirror, the rug, and the plants. These are all important pieces of furniture for a bedroom.
And we practiced colors like blue, white, brown, gray, green, and orange. You can use these words to describe any room in your house. For example, your living room or your kitchen.
That is true. Practice is the key to learning English. Try to look at your room now and say the words in English. Say, "This is my bed. That is my window. My walls are yellow."
That is a very good exercise, Tom. Well, I think that is all for today. I had a lot of fun talking about bedrooms with you. I feel very happy and relaxed now.
Me too, Anna. It was a wonderful conversation. Thank you, friends, for listening to us. Remember to subscribe and like the video. We are very grateful for your company. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Sleep well in your lovely bedrooms tonight. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Take care and keep practicing.